Well, it's completely bizarre today. We've had drizzle, rain, and now it feels like the oven's been turned on. It's glorious. I've got my lovely little trio back again today, and it's glorious. Tink's been hilarious, keeps telling everybody off. He's got a little bit of, well, shouty bloke about him today, but he's gorgeous. Aren't you, little boy? But yes, it's just summer, anyone? Look at this. It's fantastic. Absolutely wonderful. Perfect start to the weekend. This glorious lane. What have you got, Jim? Oh, she's got a stick. The crops are well on the way. I believe that's barley. But I'm no farmer, but wow. Very peaceful. Little baby lambs next to the school. Well, they're quite big now. Oh. Hi everybody. Back out with the lead twiddlers. Oh, Tink, what have you done? Right, missy. Right, we're sorted out now. The chaos has passed. We just saw another dog and little monster here. Cutest monster you'll ever see. Had to have a good shout and tell them off, didn't you? You're like a nightmare, but you're lovely. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Tinkle. If you want a bucolic English lane scene, I think this is it. It's just beautiful. He's tied around my waist so I can manage these two. So it's absolutely glorious, really lovely. We'll have less of the huffing mister, and it's beautiful. I'm so very grateful to live here. Absolutely gorgeous.